How to get the best mid-journey discount promo codes. Now, if you're going to be using either your laptop PC or through your mobile phone, the process or the steps is actually the same. So if you're using your PC, just head directly to midjourney.com's official site, and before you log into your account, just simply create a new tab, and we will be visiting a website that's going to be called grabon.in. Now, Grabon is actually a specific website in which they are giving us out free discount promo codes that is still working as of 2025. Now, in here, just head directly to the search bar and simply type in Mid Journey. Once you hit on enter, Grabon will provide you free coupon codes on selective percentage off on any deals that you want. Now, for you to be able to have the code, all you have to do is to click on Get Deal and then copy the unique code and then log into your Midjourney account and use that code. So that's how you find the best Midjourney discount promo codes.